In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed YouTube video on Wix website. To get started, open the Wix editor for the website where you want to place your video. This is where you will add and customize the YouTube player directly on your page. Once the editor is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see the Add Elements option, marked with a plus icon. Click that to open the panel with different content elements you can insert into your site. From that menu, choose Video and Music. This section includes the media tools available in Wix, including players for different types of video content. Inside that category, find the area labeled Single Video Players. In that section, click YouTube. This will give you a YouTube video player element that is designed to display a single video on your page. After selecting it, drag and drop the player onto your page. Place it in the section where you want the video to appear. You can adjust its position later if needed. So for now, just make sure it is roughly where you want visitors to see it. Next, click on the YouTube player you just added. When you select it, a floating menu will appear with editing options for that player. In that menu, click Change Video. This opens the settings where you can connect the player to the specific YouTube video you want to embed. Now take the YouTube video link you copied earlier and paste it into the field labeled What is the video's web address. Make sure you paste the full video URL so Wix can recognize it properly. As soon as you enter the link, the player will update automatically. You should see the video thumbnail appear inside the player, which confirms that the correct video has been connected. At this point, your YouTube video is embedded on your Wix page. This is a quick and simple way to add video content to your website, whether you are sharing a tutorial, a product demo, or any other video from your YouTube channel. If needed, you can continue adjusting the player placement so it fits neatly into your page layout. That covers everything you need to know.